Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to remove Ford Fusion door handle, full guide. Start by lowering the window and removing the interior door panel carefully to expose the handle linkage. Unclip the wiring harness and set it aside, then remove the plastic vapor barrier slowly. Keep track of screws and clips as you remove them to make reassembly straightforward and stress-free. First, locate and remove all screws from the armrest, door pull, and trim pieces to free the interior panel. Use a trim removal tool to detach the plastic clips without cracking the panel. Carefully lift the panel up and away from the door, then disconnect the speaker and lock switch connectors so the panel is fully separated and ready to set aside. Quick recommendation: if you like handy gear, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite for easy reference while you work on cars. It reads great in bright light and slips into a glove box. If this guide is helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more tutorials you'll actually use. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. With the panel off, peel back the vapor barrier and locate the handle mounting bolts through the access holes. Support the handle from outside while removing bolts to prevent it from falling into the door cavity. Unclip the linkage rods and electrical connector if present, then extract the handle assembly carefully through the door opening to avoid scratching paint or damaging the new handle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.